was literally just like doing other stuff, and I thought, oh my gosh, you know what I want to do is make this little gingerbread house, try and get into the Christmas spirit, because as you may know, in New Zealand it's so much harder because there's just no snow. It's like so warm. So I thought I would make this, see how it goes. It's got everything, which is so good, and it was only $25. A steal, I would say. So I just thought I would take a break from what I'm doing and make this. And then probably I'll eat it. I will show you what it looks like when it's done, and if I made it anywhere near what apparently it will look like, we will see. It honestly looks so much better than I thought it was going to. Like, it's actually turned out good. Oh, like look at that. Doesn't that look so legit? I'm pretty impressed. And it was so easy to follow as well. Like the icing worked really well and stayed on and everything. It was so fun. Yeah. I don't even really feel like decorating it. Like I kind of just want to leave it as it is, because I feel like the decorations are just gonna make it look worse or like cheap, whereas now it looks like an actual little house.